Want to create a smart employee attendance sheet in Excel with automatic counting? As you can see, I have already prepared the attendance template with employee name, date and other details. Now select all the cells where you want to add checkbox. Then go to Insert tab. Select checkbox. Next, go to the present column. Click on the first cell. And type this formula. Now press enter. And to apply the same formula for everyone, simply drag the formula down to the last row. And there you go. Now whenever you check or uncheck attendance box, the total present count update automatically. Smart, fast and perfect for employee attendance management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.